I think now it's fine. Okay, cool. Hopefully now it's fine. Is it good now? Can you hear me now, everyone? So good evening, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Kritika, Imaz, Utpal, Naveen, Bibek. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Prabhu. I think, yes, my mic was on mute. I actually switched on desktop audio. So, yep, guys. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, and welcome to day 5, which is the last day of this 5-day 5 project course. And I hope that you guys are excited for this last day. So far we have built 4 projects and all of them were amazing. You guys contributed a lot into it. You guys contributed a lot into making this particular 5-day 5 project series this amazing. So I'm really thankful to all of you guys, and I hope that it was worth for you. I hope you got to learn a lot of new things in here in this last 4 days when we created these 4 projects. As today we have the fifth project, which will again be a very exciting project. I would like to share it with you in some time. Don't worry about that. But I hope that the last 4 days were very enjoyable and you learned a lot of things. I'm hoping that, and we'll end it on a really good note. Before we start the next course, maybe after 1 week, we'll be starting with the next course. So don't worry, all that plans will be shared to you. All those live streams that I'm going to be coming up with in the next week will be shared to you in very soon. For me, responsive thing was major learning. That's great, positive vibes. Now it has become easy for me. That's great, buddy. Good evening, Sidhu. Good evening, buddy. Good evening. Good evening, Nanda. So guys, let's go and let's get started with today's project, which is the last and the 5th project of this particular course. And after this, I'm going to be coming up with a MongoDB course next week. So I hope you're ready for that as well. Next week, guys, we'll be starting with a MongoDB course. And then after that, as we have planned, we'll be moving on to Node.js. Sir, other project coming soon? Yes. So see, the plan is today is the last day of this course. So 5th project done. Okay, it's again an exciting project. Then after that, next week I'll be putting live a MongoDB course where we will be learning MongoDB completely. And then after that, Node.js and then React. And then guys, once we finish Node.js learning completely and React completely, then we will also do a 5-day 5 project session for full stack using Node.js and React. What say, guys? So 5 days, 5 full stack projects. Some of them will be authentication based, some of them will be, data based, some of them may be some API based, different projects. Okay. Good evening, Subhashini. Good evening. Yes. All free live on this channel, Vivek. Yes. Everything on this channel is going to be free. Always, almost. Yeah. Completely free, Vivek. Completely free, buddy. Hi, Ganesh. Good evening, buddy. Good evening. So everyone, let's get started. And again, guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That motivates me a lot to come up with all these courses. And please don't forget to like the video. After React, do we have anything else to learn for web development? See, it's like a never-ending process. It's like a never-ending learning here, right? Once you learn React and Node, so now you're a full-stack developer. You can create web pages. You can create complete full-stack websites. But after that, you can learn about some tools and libraries. Or you can also learn Angular, which is like a competitor to React. You can also learn Java, Spring Boot, right? So different languages, something like that. So once you finish the whole cycle of one tech stack, you can switch to some other tech stack. You can also learn about some other tech stack like Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, all that stuff. So something like that, right? So it's never ending. And there are a lot of tools which we can combine with React. Like once we learn React, then we can also learn Next. Inside React also, we can integrate a lot of tools. We can also learn that. So it's a never-ending process. Then updates come up. Then we also have to learn about updates. So something like that. Yes. Okay. How to bring consistent in web development? Vivek, I think it's all about practice. The more you practice, like I was same. Like I am the same thing. I always practice. Whenever I learn something, I practice it first, maybe twice or thrice. That's how I make it perfect. So it's all about how much you practice it and how you create stuff. Don't only think about learning the things, also try to create something out of what you have learned, even if it is small. Just create something out of whatever you're learning. That's how you can bring consistency in your development. Can you teach PHP? Yes, why not? PHP was my first love. It was the first ever backend language that I ever learned. So I hold it very closely. So no worries, I will be teaching PHP and its framework called as Laravel as well. So all that is in the plan. So yeah, let's go step by step. So guys, now see, today I am planning for a movie parallax project. Okay, so this will be more like design. Okay, a really cool design. So what I'm planning, guys, today is I'm planning to create a project for a particular movie. So I'm taking a movie called as Avengers Endgame. I think all of you might have watched it. So I'm creating a really simple web page, right, which will be completely dedicated to that movie. It will have a really, really cool design, and also it will be having a parallax effect. That means when you scroll the page, you will see multiple effects going on. Slow scrolling, fast scrolling, things overlapping, all that stuff. Okay. So guys, these are all the images that I have downloaded. You can see that. If I have to show you, see, these are all the images. So some stills from the movie, which we're going to be using to make our web page. Okay. And one more video as well. Okay. So we're going to be using all this stuff to, to create our web page today. So it will be like a storytelling for the movie Avengers Endgame. So that's why I chose this project for the last, because it's a really amazing movie and we can have a lot of design elements in this. Okay. So guys, ready everyone? Shall we move ahead? So I already have the images folder, and now we're going to be moving ahead and we'll be starting with all the stuff. Sir, do you remember Leo? Yes, Kaushik, I remember Leo. Yes. Remember Leo, I think Leo is a movie, right? Which came recently. So guys, everyone, can we start with this project, everyone? Are we ready and are we excited for the last day? And I don't know why I named it Parallax. This folder name should not be Parallax. It should be Parallax. So I made a spelling mistake there. So let me quickly change it. Parallax. Okay, I can't change it because it's already open in my VS Code. So let's close VS Code for a second and rename this folder to Parallax. And now we can open this in VS Code. So let's open VS Code again. And let's drag that folder in my VS Code. And let's get started. And guys, today I'm going to be showing you a lot of new techniques as well of doing things. So let's go. Another session next week. It will be possibly next week, second half. It will be starting. Hi Thor, how are you, buddy? So guys, let's go. First of all, as we always do, index.html. Okay, and one style.css. Okay, cool. So basic, starting with the HTML. Let's put something like Avengers End Game. Okay. I'll be sharing you all these images with you, Sedu. But I took it from IMDb. So you can take it from anywhere. I took all these images from IMDb. It's available there for free. So I took it from there. Okay. So now guys, let's move ahead and let's link this CSS file as well. So style, sorry, not style. We are not doing internal CSS. So link dot slash style.css. And let's go here and basic setup. Margin of 0 pixel, padding of 0 pixel, and box sizing, border box. Okay, all set. Let's go. Now guys, I would also like to explain you about, as we always do, we'll try to understand the whole layout that we're going to be creating. But we have a little, twist in the layout that we are creating today. So let me show you. So first of all, let's discuss the layout. Okay. So now guys, if you see here, our layout is not going to have any header today. Nothing like that. Like we can create it if needed, but right now header is not the plan. Plan is like to display a movie web page like a story. Right, that's the main plan. A website which is portraying our whole website as a story of the movie. Okay, not the complete story, but you can add some more, slides in this to make it like a story. Now guys, the whole plan is like this. First off, we'll have a banner. Now today in the banner, we won't be having an image. We'll be having a video playing in the background. So guys, we are learning something new today. That is how to play a video in the background. Okay, video background. So today we'll be having a video as a background. And on top of that, we'll be having some text that we need to write. Whatever it is, you can write on top. Then below this, the three main stars of this movie, the big three that we call, right? The three, Captain America, Iron Man, and Thor. So we'll be putting all those three here, okay? In some way, in some layout. I'm not telling you that right now. We'll be deciding it, okay? After that, we'll be again having one more background, okay? And guys, see, right now it's looking very simple. But when we create it, today there is a twist in the layout. So you'll be seeing that. So here again, there will be some background and there will be some text again, which will be telling some part of the story, okay? And just like that, we'll be having multiple slides. So first slide, then second slide, then third slide, then again, fourth slide for some things. Okay, and just like that, we'll be having multiple slides like that. Is that clear, everyone? And then the final battle picture, a final battle slide where we are showing the final battle of the end game. Is that clear, everyone? Guys, understood? Now you can use it for anything, guys, right? I'm using it for movie. This layout, I'm using it for movie. You can use it for a product. You can use it for some other movie. You can use it for anything. But that's not the main thing, guys. The main thing is not why I'm using Avengers Endgame. You can use the same layouting technique for any web page. The main thing here is to learn how to use CSS to a much more better extent today. Okay, guys? Everyone, hi DigiWorld, how are you, buddy? So that's, no, it's not social media. It's a movie parallax. So we are trying to put a parallax effect in this, something like that. So it's not what you're thinking. It's a parallax effect movie, something like that. Okay. So now, guys, let's go. And social media website would have been a very simple layout, and we have already seen a lot of simple layouts in the last 4 days. That's why I changed it to movie parallax, because I don't want to create one more simple layout. You have done the shopping site, you have already done the travel web page. So based on that, social media now, it's going to be very easy for you to create. Very, very easy for you to create social media design. It has very less elements, right? That's why I planned for something else where I can have much more better designs. Okay. So now, guys, let's go. So first of all, what we're going to be needing here is a div, which will be our main, the main. Okay. So main, or you can use a main tag here. That's also fine. So main, give it a class of main. Okay, cool. So dot main. Okay. Gonna give it a width of 100%. And guys, height, I'm not gonna give it any height. So height will be auto. That means its height will grow as the elements inside grow. Right, everyone? So no height. Leave that. Or we can give some padding, but I don't want that padding. But just to show you, let me give some padding. Padding top bottom 20 pixel, left right 0 pixel. And background color red. Just to show you that this element is coming up, I am giving it some padding. So copy the path, go in your browser, paste it. See that, guys? It's there. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. It's there. That's all. But I actually don't want to give it any padding, so remove that stuff. No padding. Just a main div with a width. That's all. It's only going to act as a container for all my other elements. Okay. Okay. Now inside this, the first thing that I want is a section, inside which I'm going to give it a class of video BG, something like that. Is it clear, everyone? Video background, something like that. Let's go. Dot video BG. Create this web page for only mobile, then make it responsive for laptop. Oh, you want me to go to reverse? But actually, this whole site is planned for web, for web. This will look amazing only if you do it for desktop. In mobile, it won't look that great in the small screen, because it's like more of a show-off web page, right? Okay, no issues, Utpal, no issues. Take care, buddy. Take care. Okay, guys. So no issues. We can also make it for this, and then we can go in mobile phone. But this main intention of this web page is to develop it for the desktop, so that it looks better in that. We want to represent a story. Okay, but maybe we'll try it for some other site. Why not, Rishikesh? That's a good idea, actually. That's a really good idea. So video VG, width of 100%. Now, guys, height of 100 VH. Take the whole particular screen. Okay, 100 VH, and let's say for now background color gray. Okay, so here we go. This gray one is taking the whole thing. Now, guys, inside this, okay, inside this, I want a video element. Is that clear, guys? I want a video element in which I'm going to put that video. So images, and in that I have a video which will be trailer.mp4, something like this. Let's see how does it look like as of now. Here we go. We got the frame, but it's not playing, because to play a video you have to make, controls. You have to give it controls. So let's give it controls. Okay. Now you can see, guys, the video is quite big. The video is quite big. See that, right, everyone? Video is very big. So we need to adjust it properly now. So for that, guys, I have one more trick. What I'm going to do is remove the video for a second. Create one more div, to which we'll call as video hyphen holder. This is the div in which I'm going to be adjusting my video. Guys, please focus. Today we have a lot of things to do, okay? So I want you guys to focus on everything. So video BG is just this gray div, okay? This gray div. Inside this, I'm creating one video holder div. So dot video holder. Same width of 100%, height of 100 VH, and background color, let's say red. So what it will do, guys, it will take up the whole parent. That's fine. That's what I wanted. Now the best part is, let's put a video inside this. Video dot slash images and trailer. And guys, I want this video to be muted by default. So I'm going to put muted as the property because this videos, I don't know to hear its sound. So muted and then controls. Let's see the controls first. So now guys, you can see here's the controls and the video is also playing. But the video is quite big. That's why I'm getting a scroll bar. See that? The video is quite big. So first of all, just like image, just like when the image goes big, we hide the overflow. Same thing we'll do for video. We'll ask this video holder div that whatever is overflowing from you, keep it hidden. So overflow hidden. Okay. So now guys, the extra part is hidden. But now can we play it? Is it playing? Yes, it is playing. Okay. But you can see on top, we have some extra, extra sizing going on. Can you see that, guys? Everyone? I hope you're getting my point. Okay. We have some extra area. Okay. So let's move this video in center. So for that, what we can do is we can give this video holder a display of flex. And you can ask it to have align items center. So the video will come in center. Now it should be there in center. Okay. Here we go. Perfectly in center of the div. Is it cleared, guys? Everyone? Got it? So now we have fitted the video properly. And also, if you want, you can decrease the height a little bit as well. So like, for example, if you don't want it to be 100 VH, you can say that video BG, you should be only 90 VH and 90 VH, something like that. And here we go. So now this is your video area and your video should be completely visible. Is that cleared, guys? Are we clear till now? Can you please confirm that, everyone? And see, I don't want to display my controls because I don't want the user to control this. Is it cleared, everyone? This video will always autoplay. So I don't want the user to control this video at any cost. I hope you're understanding my point, everyone. Okay, it should be just playing by default behind. So is it possible to hide that little black space still? Yeah, we can hide it by adjusting the size. We can hide it, or we can, edit the video to get that much part only. That's possible. So we can do that stuff. That extra thing is coming because of the height and width, the width to height ratio. Okay, if we give this video proper width, then that extra part will be gone. But right now our width is a little bigger than the video. That's why we have to do it in this way. Okay. The ratio of width is to height of my screen and the video is different. Okay, so guys, now that's done and video is playing properly. Now, here we go, guys. Section, inside that we have one div. I'm going to create one more div, to which I'm going to call as overlay. Now I want this div to come on top of this div. So guys, we know right what to do. What do we give, guys? When we want two things to stack on each other, what do we do? Position absolute, right? And to the parent, we give relative so that they don't go outside the parent. I want them to be positioned according to the parent, but I want them to be on top of each other. So for that, to both of them, I'm going to give position absolute, right? So let's go. Dot overlay. And also, first of all, make sure that the parent, you give position relative. To the parent, give relative, so that anything that is inside the parent, if it is having absolute, they should not go outside the parent. And now, to this video holder, position of absolute, and this overlay as well. So same height width of 100%, height of 100 VH, sorry, not 100 VH, 90 VH. Okay. And then, in this case, what we can do, yeah, background color for now, let me give it black. Now, if I give it black, you will see it's covering the whole thing, Right, everyone? But fine, I want it on top, but I don't want it to be black, like covering the whole video. So what I'm gonna do is, here I'm gonna give it a gradient. Okay, so background. Now I don't need a gradient, but let's try linear gradient. Okay, so to bottom, that means from top to bottom. I want to give black first, then transparent in between, and then black again. So let's see how does it look right now. And now I can't play the video, guys. Okay, so but that div is not coming on top. Yes, that's why I was able to play, guys. That div is not on top anymore. So what we need to do is, let's give this absolute as well. Position absolute. Yep. Now can I play the video? Is it possible to play the video? See, guys, now I'm unable to play the video because on the top we have that div. Let me show you by giving it red in between. See that, guys? That div is on top, video is behind, so I'm unable to click the play for the video. Is that clear, everyone? Are you getting my point, guys? Getting the point, everyone? So I'm unable to play that video because this div is on top and I cannot click on it. Video is behind, I cannot click on it. So I need to figure out some other way of auto playing that video. Okay, so there is one way that we can do is by using JavaScript. So what we can do is, let's give it an ID to the video. So let's give it an ID of vid. Now write some JavaScript, basic JavaScript. So script, and the script is on window. That means my whole web page, whole tab, window dot add event listener, and the listener is load. So as soon as the window loads, this is the task I want to perform. And what I want to perform is fetch the video element, dot play. Now this function should play it. Let's try. And also let's make it transparent so that we can see some part of the video now, so that we can confirm that it's playing. Let's see, guys, if the video is playing. Yep, see that, everyone? Guys, do we have that black filter here or not? Do we have it or not? Let me just confirm that. We have it on top. Okay, wait, actually let me give it red so that we can see it properly. Red. Let me just confirm. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, it's there and it's playing. Okay, guys, so understood how we did it using JavaScript. Now we no longer have to worry about clicking on the controls. It will autoplay. So as soon as the window loads, video should start playing. So this is the logic of playing video using JavaScript. Fetch the video element dot play, and that should be it. And you can see red is visible, but I don't want it to be red. So let's go and change the red to, let's say, something like black again. Black. I don't know why I'm just thinking that black is not that visible here. Even if it is there, the way red was visible, black is not that visible. I don't know what I'm thinking. Guys, can you also notice that? Or is it visible? I think it is visible, yeah. It is visible. Very transparent, but it is visible. It's there. Okay, so fine. That's all I wanted. So it's okay. Now then, let's move ahead. Yeah, video itself is also blackish. That's why it's, we are unable to see it properly. It's there. I can see it now. It's there. See, when it goes away, then you can see that. It's there. Okay. So hopefully that's fine. Now, in this overlay, I want to write some text. So let's write some text. Now, guys, please focus, everyone. Let's go. Div class let's give it a class of details. Dot details, width of 40%, height of, no height actually, just give it padding. Padding something like from top bottom 30 pixel, from left right 20 pixel, and background color for now white. Okay, so you can see the div is here. Now I want it at the bottom, so to the overlay I'm gonna give a display of flex and justify content, not justify content, align items. So align items, flex end, like this. So now it's down here. And also to the video element, give it a padding. So padding, sorry, not to the video element, the overlay, padding of 50 pixel from all sides. So here we go, guys. We have it here. Okay, all cleared, guys, as of now. Hopefully everything is clear till now. Now inside that I want to write some text. So h1, in that I'm going to write end of Infinity Saga. So some text, cool. And also let's use the Google font for this. So Google fonts, I'm going to use Poppins again, as we always use it. So let's see, Poppins is already selected, that's nice. Import, and just take this whole import statement from here, go on top and paste the import statement, and font family Poppins. Nice. So end of Infinity Saga, all good. Give it a class of, or no need to give it a class, you can also style it directly. So dot details h1, font size of 50 pixels. Okay, nice. Now below this I want some description, so for that I'll just use a p tag in which I'll write lorem, some dummy description. You can also take some good description, guys, from here. Okay, good enough. And I also want logo. So let's see, do we have logo? I think Avengers PNG logo. Avengers Endgame PNG logo. Please be PNG, please be PNG. Okay, it is. Right click, save image as. Let's put it there. Parallax, images, save. Okay, nice. And now in here on top we'll be putting the logo. So img dot slash images slash logo. Let's see how does it look right now. Nice, all good. Is that clear, guys? Are you getting the point what we are doing here, everyone? Can you please confirm that? Hopefully all set till now. And also I don't want it to be at the bottom, let's put it in center. So center. In details, do we need to specifically code font family Poppins? If we have imported, should not be default. Once you import, then you still have to mention. Importing and using are two different things, buddy. So Naveen, even if you import, you still have to mention where you want to use it. Okay. And guys, now I can remove the background color white, but the text is black, that's why you can't see it. So now make the color white as well, something like that. So end of Infinity Saga, something like that. Okay, looks nice, everyone, hopefully. And also let's see if we put it in right, how does it will look. Let's try. So Justify content, flex end. Let's see how does it look on right. Guys, you tell me which one is better, right side or left side? Which one is better, right side or left side? Quickly tell me, guys. Till that time, I'll remove the text. Left side? Okay, nice. Okay, nice, nice. So let's put it on left side only. No need to put it on right side. Cool. All good. And nice and simple. Looks good as of now. We have this, and I think not in center exactly. Flex end only, but a little bit on top, so maybe 100 pixels. Yeah, this place is nice. Okay, cool. And also, guys, I am planning on to increase the height a little bit to 95 VH. So let's go 95, 95, and overlay 95 as well, because I want to integrate a really simple thing here. Okay, so I hope all good with this, everyone. All simple. Now today I also want to show you how to implement that, right? You might have seen, right? Some people have a button here like scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, something like that. You might have seen, right, guys? So that people get to know that, okay, now we have to scroll down from here, right? So for that, you need to get a scroll down GIF. You can get a scroll down GIF. And now we need to find out a better GIF for that. Yeah, this is nice, but this is, I think it's white. It's having a white background. It's not having a PNG. Like it, I want it to be transparent. Let's see if it is transparent. Let's download and see this. If it is transparent. Nope, see? It's not. Delete this. Transparent GIF. Let's see. Yeah, we can use that, but it won't be GIF, right? That's the issue. Like it, I want it to be moving. I want it to be moving like this. That's the thing. This is not working like that, the way we wanted it to. Okay, no issues. We'll find out later. We can add it at the later part. No issues. First of all, let's complete the other things. Okay, guys, everyone, let's go. Let's go. Now, on to the next section. On to the next section. Let's go. We'll come back later. We'll figure out later. We'll find out the good image later for this. Now, guys, please focus on the next section, everyone. So, first section done. Now, section. Now here you need to focus a lot, guys, because we're going to be doing something really, really cool. Okay. So, what I want to do is, when I scroll, cool. Okay, fine. So, section, let's give it a class of Iron Man. Okay, fine. And inside that a div class, let's say imgbg, that is image background. Or why I'm calling it Iron Man, so bad. Let's just call it as section, because it's going to have some simple height and width. So section class section dot section 100 vh, sorry, height 100 vh, width of 100%, and for now background color of red. Let's see if it is looking fine. Here we go. We have it 100 vh, all good. And because I wanted to put Iron Man image in it, that's why I gave it that name, because I wanted to put Iron Man image in it. Okay, so imgbg, same it will be, dot imgbg, let's say width of 100%, same, height of 100 vh, and background color of, let's say for now, green. So it will cover the whole thing, right? Covering the whole parent. Now inside this we can also give background image. Okay, let's try. So let's, no, not background image, I'm gonna give image only. So img src dot slash images slash Iron Man here. Iron Man. Nice and simple, fitting perfectly, but I think the image is a little bigger. See that, guys? Image is quite big. So then for that, we'll adjust it. So inside imgbg, I'm simply gonna say whatever is overflowing, keep it hidden. Okay, so now the extra part is hidden. Is that clear, guys? Everyone understood what's happening, guys? Please tell me. Are you getting the things, what's happening here? And I think, see guys, that black color is coming and going. If you can see that, guys, the black color comes and goes. So I think I should increase the Z index. Let's try the Z index once. Increasing the Z index. Where is our video holder? Not with the video holder. Overlay. Let's increase the Z index. Z index, if at all there's some issue going on, 100. I want it to be fixed on top. No, it's coming and going. That's the issue now. If you can see, guys, when I scroll it comes back, but it goes back as well. Can you guys notice it? Or am I only noticing it here? It's happening like that. Okay, no issues, no issues. Fine. Just coming and going, right? Yep, that's the issue. That's the issue. I can see when I scroll it comes and goes back. Okay, no issues. It should not happen, but let's ask the video to have a lower Z index. So let's put it to the video. I have given an ID to the video, right? Hash vid. Your Z index will be always 50. Now by giving 50, I'm trying to make it less than this. For red it was working, I don't know why. For red it was working, but for the black, see, the black color comes and goes back, see. Only the black, it's happening like that. When I keep it red, it's there properly. Then it's there, see. Red is there always. No, see, it's also getting dark and light. If you can see that, guys. When I scroll, it also gets dark and light, something like that. Only if you can notice it. See that, everyone? Okay, let's take this color. Let's try this color theme. But it will be too much. White, okay. White. This is too much for the theme. Too much. No. Okay, let's keep it black for now. Fine. So it's there, but it's just coming and going back. That is the issue. It's there, guys. Fine, no issues. We'll solve it. No issues. Let's see. Let's move ahead first. We'll come back to that. No issues. So now, guys, we have the Iron Man image here. Look at, yeah, little light like what? The black. The black. So you can, you know, actually I'm thinking, you know what we can do? We can directly, see, we just are trying to have a black shade on top and bottom. But that gradient is, you know, not fitting that much properly. That's the issue. That gradient is not fitting that properly. That's the issue. Okay, guys, no issues. Don't worry. We'll solve it now. Okay. Right now it's fine. It looks good enough. It is not looking that bad, but it's flickering. Yes, we can sort it out later. Yes. Okay. Now, guys, let's work on this one. So now this is Iron Man's area. So let's display or the things about Iron Man. Okay, guys, cool, everyone. let's go. And also, I want it to be 100 VH because of the styling that I want. But okay, let's go. So image is here now. After this, I need one more thing here, the overlay. So div class section hyphen overlay. Okay, it will be again on top. So again, section should have position of relative. Okay, all good. Now dot section hyphen overlay, width of 100%, height of 100 VH, and for now background color red. It should cover the whole. Now see, first of all, it is greater than this. You can see it's going outside, but I want this image and this red div to be on top of each other. So for that, to both of them, position of absolute. That will make sure that they are on top of each other. Right, guys? Everyone? Same logic that we did on top. Same logic. Position of absolute. So now the red one is on top of that. Okay, nice. But I don't want the red one to be red one. So same gradient I want here as well. So let's take this from here. For image, I think it should be fine. I think there it is happening because of the video. For image, I think it should be fine. Yeah, see? For the image, it's nice. For the image, it's nice. Only for the video, guys, see, it's going and coming back. See that now? I hope you can notice it now. When I scroll, see, it comes and goes back. Only for the video. I think it's maybe some graphical error as well. It might be some graphic issue as well. We don't know. Because if it becomes normal, they will look like attached. It will look like a whole single page. There will be no section difference. That's what I wanted to achieve. Are you getting my point now, guys? So what will happen is you won't be able to see that line between, the division between these two. That's what I wanted to achieve. It should feel like a single page. Got my point, guys? But the video is giving some graphical issue there. Because see, guys, if it was black, you won't be able to see the section, the divider. You won't be able to see the divider. So it will look like a single thing. It will look like a magazine. That's the issue that's going on here. But okay, no issues. We'll try some other video afterwards. It's okay. It's okay now. Now let's go for Iron Man quickly. Let's define some description. So in this overlay, I want a div to which I'm going to give a class of something like, let's say, section hyphen details. Okay. So dot section hyphen details. Width of again 40%. Height, no height actually, again padding. Padding of, let's say, 30 pixel from top bottom and from all sides 30 pixel. That's nice. And for now, background color white. Exactly, Naveen. I just wanted a seamless transition between two pages. We should not be able to see that divider. That's what I wanted. But that image is having some graphical issue. That video actually is causing some graphical issue. That's the problem that we are facing. That is what I didn't want. But it's okay. We'll solve it later on. We'll try to use some other video there. So background color, let's give it white for now. Nice, you can see it here. But I want it on the right side here. Okay. So let's do that. So for that, we can just give this a display of flex and justify content flex end. So it will go on the right side and align items center like this. Okay, and also give it padding. So padding of 100 pixel from all around. Okay, nice, it's here. Now guys, what we want is, we want Iron Man PNG logo as well. The icon for Iron Man. But in black, not like this. Like we have the for Superman, right? Same. Where can we get it now? That's the issue. Do we have good vectors? Yeah, vectors are fine. This can be used. Yep, nice. But I wanted it to be white. Okay, do we have something on font awesome? Do we have something related to this on font awesome? Let's check it. I have never checked it. Let's see. Do we have some icons related to Iron Man and all that stuff? Let's check it once. Iron Man. Do we have something? Nope, we don't. Actually, you know, this Avengers, they have proper logos for them. I wanted that logo, but let's see. Thor PNG logo. Do we have anything for Thor? Yes, this is the icon. But this is black. That's the issue. I don't want it to be black. That's why I needed a vector. Fine. We have a lot of things to check out, but that's okay. Let's first of all complete the section. Okay, so again, guys, same logic. H1, Iron Man. Here we go. And same font family, Poppins. And a P tag, some description about Iron Man. So let's just search for internet about Iron Man. So something like this. Let's take it. This much. I could have written a simple description that I know, but that's fine for now, guys. Something like this. I actually wanted that logo. It would have, like, no, it will look very cool if we get that exact logo of Iron Man. But that's fine for now. No issues. So dot section details H1. Font size of 30 pixels. 50 pixels. How much I've given here? I think it's also 50 pixel, right? Yeah, 50 pixel. And this should be nice. We can have a white card here actually. If needed, we can have like a white card. That's also nice. So we can have that black logo if we have a white card here. Okay, so let's have a white card. And let's get that Iron Man PNG. So Iron Man PNG logo. Save image as Iron Man logo. No, it should have been white. If it was white, I would have made it look a little more better. The only issue is it's not white. What can we do about that? Fine, let's ditch the logo for now. Let's make the color white here. So remove the background color and make the color as white. We'll try to find out some good logo afterwards. Don't worry, guys. And let's have some good text. A little more text maybe. I think light white should be nice. Yeah, we can try that. Why not? Why not? Definitely we can try that. Definitely we can try that. And guys, the real game hasn't started yet. Okay, we are still on the layouting part. The real game will be when we start making that parallax. So wait for that time. Okay, so yep, guys, some text about Iron Man. Okay, and yeah, we can have some light white here, but actually, okay, or maybe just some normal text. Oh, where is that gone? I want a normal text, only this much. Because I want to increase the font size now. $70 pixel and dot section details P will be font size 40 pixels. Yep. Or maybe 30 will be nice. 30 pixels. Nice. Now this looks nice. So this is about Iron Man, guys. Okay. Okay. Now, just like this, we'll copy the whole section. Okay. So this whole section, let's write here Iron Man, and copy the whole section from here. And now let's make it for Thor. So Thor, here, change the image to Thor, but I think the Thor image is a little smaller. Let's see. Yes, the image is quite small. See that, guys? The image is quite small, so we need to adjust it now. Or maybe I can download the bigger version of this image, but I was actually unable to download it, but that's fine. So let's make it big, guys. Let's make this image big. So img, let's get a class section hyphen img. Now just to maintain some formality, give it everywhere. And I want this image to be bigger than the parent. That's why section img, section hyphen img, your width will be 120% always, or maybe 110% will be fine. Now see, guys, do you understand what I was trying to do? Can you see, guys? We can't see the divider anymore. See that, everyone? We can't see the divider between them. Getting my point, everyone? What I was doing? We are unable to see the divider, so it looks like it's a single page. It's all a single page. See that? We are unable to see the divider between those two images. That's what I wanted here as well. Got it, guys? Everyone? So to look like a single page of a magazine, something like that. That was the plan. Because when we convert this into parallax, it will look amazing. Now that is in my mind. I have not practiced it. So that is right now going on in my mind. But hopefully it will look better. Hopefully it will look good. So let's go. Thor. Thor Marvel. Okay. So let's take this much. And let's change the content of Thor as well. Oh, sorry. I think I'm at the wrong place. Here we go. Okay. Thor, final. And now let's go for Captain America. Okay. So guys, I hope you're getting the whole point here. Right? And guys, is the site looking interesting or not? Because today we are doing something completely different. On the first 4 days, we just approached for professional web page. Now today we are doing something different, something cool. Right? So guys, I hope you're enjoying it as much as you enjoyed the other 4 projects as well. Hopefully, guys. Tell me. Nice. Okay, now then let me also search for Captain America. So Captain America. Okay, let's take this much. I'm just putting some dummy text, guys. You can change it afterwards. Where is Captain? Yep, see that, everyone? So now it's going a little different if you see it properly. See that, guys? So we have video, then Iron Man, then Thor, then Captain America. So like it's going like a story. Okay, nice. That's what I wanted. So looks nice as of now. And now about the villain. Last section about the villain. Right? Guys, who was the villain? I hope you know already. Exactly. Let's take some dummy content for it as well, for Thanos as well. And I also have an image for Thanos. Sorry in advance, I'm gonna copy this project. Yeah, definitely. Why not, buddy? Why not? Why not? Like, this is the whole reason I changed the whole project for the last day, because I wanted to show you guys something really different, some funky, something, fancy, something like that. So Thanos. Do you think Flexbox is enough? Yes, I think Flexbox is enough. Quite enough, yes. Now guys, see the Thanos, for the Thanos, the issue is the text is quite bigger, so I'm going to remove that extra, the matte titan from here. Or I have an idea. You can have one more H2 here for, subtext. So you can have a H2. The Mad Titan. Something like that. Okay, and let's make it a little bit bigger as well. So H2. $30 will be fine, I think. Yep, the matter. And maybe we can change the color of this. So color to, let's say, can we take this color here? This one. Let's try. Let's take that color. Where is the image? Take the picker, take that color from here. So that, it will be an endgame theme like that. So this one is the color. Let's see. Thanos. Yeah, looks nice. See guys? Maybe a little lighter will look much more better. So let's go on the lighter side of it. Yeah, something like this. Let's try. Yep, see, now it looks perfectly fine. And I think the text for Thanos is a little too much, so, or maybe that is fine as well. That's cool. Okay, now for everyone, guys, we need to write it quickly. So for Captain, I don't know about the spelling. See, for some people it might look like I'm writing a very simple, that can be one thing, but I think this is what Captain America signifies, right? This is what Captain America signifies better. I hope you guys get the reference, why I'm writing a good man. But still, this line is catchy. So I'll take this line, the first Avenger. Because this line is a little more catchy, but I hope everyone who has watched Marvel from start, they know why I wrote a good man. And for Iron Man, so what about Android app development? Very soon. That's also going to be coming very soon, guys. Okay. So now, guys, we have all this. The first Avenger, the strongest Avenger, Earth's best defender. And that's really cool. So now it's looking like a proper magazine going on and off like this. That's nice. And now, finally, see guys, how easy this site is. We are just moving on and putting different things here and there. That's all. Okay. So let's go. Let's go quickly and let's take this whole thing as well. Okay, nice. One more section. And here I'm gonna put this girl power. Now I forgot to take, guys, you can add some more section in this. Okay. So do we have something right? Okay, I'm writing only one description, guys, so let's write it for Captain Marvel. But you can I'm just putting it for, you can put it for everyone else. Like this. Actually, Gamora is here highlighted, so I should have taken Gamora, but that's fine. And guys, the image quality is a little bad. If the image quality was good, this site would have looked much more better. The problem is I was unable to find images, this movie stills with good quality. That's the problem, guys. I was unable to find the proper movie stills with good quality. You can see the quality is not that good. You can see the image getting blurred here. Can you see that, everyone? The quality is not that good. See, it's a little blurred. If the quality was good, it would have looked, much more better in this case. But that's fine. It's okay for now. And now, guys, the final slide, which will be the epic battle. So let's take this whole thing. Okay. And here, guys, I'm gonna put that banner 1. The epic battle. Remove this, comment this for now, and let's see. And here we go, guys, the epic battle, and in that H2 I'll write the big 3. See that, guys, everyone, this image, and then the final section, which will be and here we go. See that, guys, everyone? The final fight where everyone is running to kill. The problem is, guys, I don't have the proper HD images that I needed, but that's cool. So now, guys, see, we have a web page like this, okay, and all good. Now see, in this case, first of all, guys, how is the web page looking? You tell me. How is the web page looking here? Tell me that. You guys tell me. You guys tell me. Come on. Tell me, everyone. How is the whole web page looking? Tell me, guys. See, by just doing this simple, we have not even done that great things here. Okay. It's just the proper choice of colors and, mixing it together. Right? That's all. That's all it is making this web page looks really cool. And guys, trust me, if only I had HD images, it would have been looked a lot better. The only issue is on IMDb, I'm getting only 720 pixel images. I just needed 1080p. That's all. We don't have it. That's the issue. Or maybe we can also search. Let's search it, guys. Let's search it. Let's see if we can find out something. Because I want to use HD images. That's the issue. So see, guys, this site is already looking so cool. Now we just need to add some animation effects. That's all. See, what I did is I just searched for Avengers Endgame HD stills. That's all I searched. But let's say Iron Man. And see, guys, the cool thing about these images is they all have that black theme behind them. That's the main thing. So Iron Man end game image HD. See, the issue is it comes like this. See, all the edited images. We don't get the movie still that we need. See, guys? It all images are like edited, fan made, and all that stuff. We don't get that exact movie still. That's the issue. See, no HD images are available. This is there, but it's also not HD. It's very small. That's the problem. That is the problem. And where I will tell you where I found it. If you just search for, Avenger Endgame movie stills, IMDb. Is it coming here? Is it available here? See, all on IMDb. Everything is on IMDb available. I think we can also download it from here. Let me download it from here, guys. Let's see if this image looks good if I download it. So let me just do it. Save image as. Let me name it as Ultimate Fight. Because it's having a little bigger size. So let me just try. Replace. Guys, let's see if this side is looking good. Now this image is looking good or not. Just keep looking at the last image. Yep, much more better, guys. It got clearer. It actually got clearer. Thorab is down. Yes, a little. Yes, I have to update that site. Yes, I'm updating that site actually. Okay, guys, we got the images. We got the images. Actually, on IMDb, they were not downloadable. Now they are downloadable. That's great. That's great. On IMDb, these images were not downloadable. That was the issue. I didn't check it on Google. Now they are. See, guys, now we're getting the HD images. See Thor. Now he will also become HD. Look at Thor now. See? It got changed. Same thing. Let's take it for everyone. Hopefully Captain is also HD. Let's take save image as Captain. Save. Yes, please. Iron Man is already HD. Final battle done. And let's take the girl power HD as well. Yeah, this is nice. This image is much more better. So save image as replace the old one. Nice. And I need Thanos. Where is Thanos? Where is Thanos? Where is Thanos sitting? This is also nice actually. We can take this one as well. Let's take this one. And also, I think, yeah, that's fine. Let's see the whole web page now. Yes, guys, now the images are much more clearer. But Thanos is here and my text is on top of him. So let's move the text this side. Would image cover work? Yes, it will work. But I have knowingly given the images extra size because I want to do something. Now, guys, for Thanos, let's move this text left side. What say, guys? For Thanos only, let's move the text left side. Okay. So let's go. So where is the Thanos div? Let's check that out. Where is the Thanos div? Yep, this is the one. So let's give it one more class. Section overlay and also Thanos overlay. Just an extra class to apply some extra CSS. That's all. So for Thanos overlay only, justify content will be flex start, not flex end. Yeah, nice. Only for Thanos. For everyone else, it's on the right side. Yeah, we can actually, say that. For the villains, it's on left side, and for the heroes, it's on right side. I like this image too much. This is nice. The epic battle. The big three. Okay, all three are standing here against the whole army. And finally, the Avengers assemble. So guys, are we cleared with this whole web page as of now? Please tell me. Are we cleared with this whole web page as of now? Now see, guys. One really cool thing that I can do here is this. Focus, everyone. See. I can give all the section. So, section. Where is my section? Yeah, section. All the section, I'm going to give position sticky. Okay. Position sticky. That means now everyone will scroll. but as soon as they reach top 0, they will become fixed. So guys, whenever you give someone a position of sticky, as soon as they reach top 0, they will become fixed. So now see what will happen in this case. Final good. Now I'll start scrolling. See guys, it scrolls and it becomes fixed, and see. Guys, can you see that? How does this look? Guys, look, something new, right? Some new concept, something like that, right? So to all the sections, I just gave position sticky, okay, and top 0. That means they will initially be scrollable. As soon as they reach top 0, they will become fixed. So like when they're, first of all, to the first section I didn't give. So first section scrolls, that's fine. But from the second, Iron Man, it becomes fixed. Then Thor comes up. Then Captain America comes up. Then Thanos comes up. Exactly. Then Girl Power. Then Epic Battle. Then Avengers Assemble. And like that. Is that cleared, everyone? Guys, hopefully it's fine. Hopefully you're getting it. Nice. So this is one cool thing that you can do. Second is, we have to search for one library. That's why I said, guys, stick to the end. The main part is at the end. But I think the creation was also amazing, right? Did you guys enjoy the whole creation and that gradient logic? Yes or no? Tell me that. Did you guys enjoy the whole creation or not? Tell me that. I want to know that. Okay. Now guys, the final thing, we will search for a package or a JavaScript library called as Relax. Okay, now don't worry guys, it's not for relaxing. Search for Relax.js. Once you search for Relax.js, okay, go to this GitHub link. Okay, it's a lightweight Parallax library. Now guys, we can also code it. We can also code our own JavaScript code to perform this, Parallax. Now guys, what is the meaning of Parallax? When your elements, all the different elements, scroll at a different speed. That's how you get a parallax effect. In your web page, guys, you can have multiple elements, and different elements can scroll at different speed. Some element will scroll faster, some elements will scroll slower. And by that, what you achieve is what you call as a parallax effect. And not only that, guys, sometimes you make your backgrounds fixed as well. That's also a parallax effect. Actually, right now, this is also a parallax effect. Some things become fixed and then something goes on top of it. So this is also a parallax effect. Is that cleared, guys, everyone? Getting the point? Okay. Nice. Now then, we want to use this library. It will help me to scroll my elements at different speeds. Cleared, everyone? Tell me, guys, are you understanding my point here? Yes or no? Are you getting my point? Yes or no? So now, see what I'm going to do. First of all, take its script. Take its script, this one. There's no CSS, just take the script. Okay. So take this script area, whole script and initialization code, and go down in your JS. Now see what I'm trying to achieve. Even I'm also trying it for first time, so let's see. Because before this I used to code my own parallax. Okay, nice. Okay, cool. Now, since we have given dot relax here, the rule is that to any element that you want to apply scrolling, you have to give a class of dot relax to it. Okay, and dot relax spelling is RELLAX. So we need to give this class. Now see what I'm going to do, guys. First of all, check that out. Okay, check that out. You'll understand that. Check that out properly. So let's go to the Iron Man section. Let's go to the Iron Man section. Where is Iron Man? Okay, and to its section details, give this class relax. And once you give relax, also you need to give data relax speed. Okay, by this. Now see, guys, -2 speed is the general speed. That means your normal speed. 7 is high speed. Now see what happens if I give a speed of 7. So add that attribute here. Data relax speed of 7. Now see what happens. If you notice, guys, see that. When I scroll, can you see that, guys? Everyone, that Iron Man text is scrolling faster. Guys, can you see that or not? That Iron Man text is now scrolling a lot faster. Got it, everyone? What I was trying to do? Getting it? But now it's going above. Okay, now it's fine. We can keep it. So first of all, guys, see, it's going behind the video. It's going behind the video. So let's do one thing. Let's keep the... Okay, what we can do is we can change the Z index of the section. So go to section and change its Z index so that it comes on top. So section Z index will be, let's say, 200. I don't care. Just come on top. 200 as of now. Okay, now see, guys. Look at the whole effect now. Okay. Now the best part is, if you remove that position sticky and let's make it relative for now. See, now you can do this, everyone. Giving you one more idea, guys. One way is the sticky logic. Okay, one way is the sticky logic. Now, second logic is add these classes. No, it's not already relative. I made it. Oh, sorry. I changed the sticky to relative and I gave relative. So sorry. My bad. I changed the sticky to relative and I again gave it relative. I'm really sorry. Okay. Now, guys, just like this, I'm going to give this relax class and data relax speed to every other element. And let's give it 6 actually. Let's give it 5. 5 will be fine. Now to every element, I want to give data relax 5. Okay. So same. Relax 5. You might have seen sites like this, guys. You might have seen sites like this where different elements scroll at different speeds. Have you guys? Yes or no? Tell me, guys. Oh, I'm giving it to the overlay. I'm really sorry. I wanted to give it to the details. Okay, finally. I gave it at the wrong place, everyone. I gave it at the wrong place. You guys have not seen site like this? No issues. No issues. Now today I was checking how to make something like this. Okay. Proper, right? And I think we can just copy this everywhere now. The first line is exactly same everywhere. So, section details. Section details. Section details. Section details. And now see, guys, the cool effect. See that, guys? Can you see the text is scrolling faster? But actually the issue is, because of the faster scrolling, things are mismatching. Right, everyone? Like Thanos is coming at Captain America and everyone is like, so that's an issue. So now we have to calculate. That's the problem now. So what we can do is, we can say wherever I have speed of 5. So wherever I have speed equals, or let's try this. Let's go to the image only to the image, and also give that a class of relax. So first of all, let's go to Iron Man. So now, guys, our text is scrolling faster as compared to every other thing. That's why they are going top fast. I hope you're understanding that point, guys. See that, right? See, Iron Man is slowly scrolling and this is scrolling at a very much speed. Much more better, like, greater speed. See that, guys? You got the point, everyone? Now, to the image, I'm going to give a class of relax as well. And data relax speed of, let's say, 3. And now let's see if I increase the relax speed of image, what happens. Or maybe I have an idea, guys. Maybe remove the data relax speed from the images and only give it to the, remove this speed from text and only give it to the images. Now let's see how does it look. Okay. It looks nice, but then it goes to mix the other stuff. Let's give it 1. Less speed. but it still mixes with Thor. That's the issue. Just want a simple parallax effect, not that fast. Like I just want a simple parallax effect, that it should look like parallax. That's it. Two maybe. Okay, let's give speed of 2 everywhere and check. So speed of, wherever speed of 5 is there, replace it with speed of 2. Replace all, and now let's see if it is all good. Okay, nice. 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 But at the end we lost it. Do we also have a speed of 7 somewhere? Nope. Now let's see, wherever we have speed of 2, give it speed of 1. At last we lose the battle. That's the issue. It's moving, but it's moving very slow now. Like, you know, really slow. But that's fine, guys. Now see, it's much more visible. Okay? Guys, can you see that? Can you see that effect that the text is moving a little faster than the images? Can you see that text is moving on top of the image? Guys, can you see that? Please tell me. Like, see here, you can see the S is on Mantis head, on top of Mantis head. But if you scroll, see it goes way above Mantis head. So you're getting that point, everyone? Please tell me, guys. So now we have to adjust the speed. What I'm trying to say is we have to adjust the speed properly. But at the end, we'll get something really cool. Like this. See that, everyone? So now you can see this is like a proper parallax web page. You just have to properly adjust the speed and everything will look good. Cleared, guys? Everyone, can you please confirm that? Okay. So now you also have a parallax effect onto your web page. So that's how you can add parallax. Now, guys, we don't have a lot of elements to explore here, but that's what you can do. That's how it is done. Now we just have to properly adjust the speed, you know. We just properly, if you just adjust the speed, it will look much more better. But actually it's looking nice now. It's not looking that bad now. Like, it's fine. I can read the text. I can see the picture properly. See? And it looks like, yeah, things are moving faster. And, you know, text is at random place. It looks like a storytelling web page now. Like that. So, guys, are we cleared with this, everyone? Please tell me. So, understood how to create a web page like this, a funky web. Like, again, guys, it completely depends on your thinking. This whole thing completely depends on your thinking. How much you can think and how you can use it. Yes, the last one is a little off. That's because of the speed is going on there. Only the last one. When you reach here, then we can see the whole thing. But then it goes away. Right? When it goes away. Say, at this point, it looks nice. See, guys, the best part about this whole web page now is the text randomness. Depending on the speed, it can reach anywhere. See that? Sometimes you read it at in this much gap. Sometimes you read it in this much gap. Right? So that randomness is really nice. But if I increase the speed, then it's a problem, right? That becomes a little problematic. Okay, let's try something on the image as well. Let's see if something can be done using images as well. to what we have given background green. I need to remove that now. Okay, but because of different speed, now you can see. Black. No, that green was because of the background actually. So no issues. What I want is, okay, that now it's nice. You can see Aranan going on top slowly and steadily. And same with Thor, it goes on top. But that becomes a little too much. Okay. 3 would be nice maybe. We need to figure out a proper speed here. Then it will maybe look much more better. Okay, but that, I think guys, that is kind of fine. Okay, let's remove the speed. I'm not gonna give speed to the images for now, at least. No issues. Okay, let's give it 0 then. Let's give all of them 0. Speed of 1 wherever it is, because -2 is the default. So let's see 0. How fast is 0 in this case? I think 0 is nice. It gives the effect of movement. Yeah, 0 gives the effect of movement, guys, and as well as it's not moving that fast. Or 0 is it even moving? No, 0 is not even moving. Nope, 0 is not even moving. Wow. They have mentioned that -2 is the default somewhere, but that's fine. Does 0.5 work? Wherever I have 0, I want it to be 0.5. Yep, now the speed is changed. Nice. This is nice. This is nice. Almost there, but again moving a little bit. Guys, yep, this is fine. Now your Avengers Assemble also looks better. You can see that text. So now you can see the text moving at a different speed. Is that cleared, guys? So when you scroll, you can see the text moving. Is that cleared, guys? Everyone? Are we cleared with this? Please tell me. And do we have anything else here? Okay, it's just different speeds. That's all. Nice. Okay. Now, if you also add AOS in this, then it will also appear suddenly. That will make it much more better then. So if you just go ahead and add AOS in this, so just search for AOS. Again, same logic, guys, as we have already used it 2 times in previous. So AOS GitHub. Okay, let's go. Again, same logic. Take the CSS quickly. Let's try putting AOS. Let's try to make it a little more animated. Let's see how does it look if I add a little more animation logic in this. Take the script. Now guys, here I'm having multiple script tags, but you can also do it all in single script tag. Okay, that's completely fine. Like, you know, just have this link on top and then take this AOS in it, put it in the same thing as relax script. So you no longer need this extra script tag anymore. And this is my own script. That's all. Now let's add AOS classes. So I'm gonna add this one, fade up, data AOS fade up. So to the details. let's see. Nice, nice. And data AOS delay of 300. Are both the things colliding here? This data AOS. Okay, let's try some other things maybe. Fade right, yes, let's try that. Fade left. Duration we can give, yes, yes, yes. See, the issue is it's not animating as it should be normally. See that? Fade left is not working the same way it used to work. Yes, yes, definitely it's easy. It's just a little more creative, that's all. Positive. It's a lot easier than what we have done so far. It's just a different, it's a whole different genre altogether. Right? Positive. Like it's a different thing. That's all. Guys, I'm not thinking data AOS, adding data AOS is like AOS is not a very great idea, because I think both the libraries are colliding a little bit in some things. That's the issue maybe. Let's try to initialize AOS first. Yep, now it's fine. See? So it was colliding. Okay. And now this will be the last thing, guys. We're almost done with this. And so today's thing, see, the whole intention of this 5 days was to just give you enough ideas in your mind that from now on you can actually start thinking of different sites, and when you get a project from someone, then you can at least think of how to make it, and you can think of what can be the design, what kind of design you should follow. That was the main idea of this whole project, this whole course. So I hope I was able to build that a little bit in your mind, guys, with this course. Tell me that. Yes or no? And now nice. All good. Okay. So yes, guys, if you compare this project with all the other projects that we have done, it's very simple. There are two reasons behind it. That you have already done a lot of complicated stuff in the last 4 days. We created a lot of different web pages in the last 4 days. Today was easier because we have already learned how flexboxing works, how positions work, so we don't have to worry about it. Second thing, yes, today we had less work about small blocks, adjusting the blocks. It was not about blocks today. And sometimes, guys, you'll always find out that some award-winning websites that you have online, where they have amazing designs, they have very less code as compared to some normal web pages, because they don't have blocks. They have some different kind of thinking altogether. Like we thought about this, putting this gradient so that we don't get that slider, so it looks like a proper single image, something like a magazine page. Getting my point, everyone? Guys? So tell me now, did you enjoy this whole web page or not? Something new, something cool, and now you can use it for your galleries, everyone. In future, when you create galleries for your web page, or if you're doing it for some mobile, you can use this idea, integrate some more things in it, and make it much more better. You can do all that stuff. Why not? Like, it doesn't fix to this much. Use this idea to do something else. Right, everyone? You can use the same idea to do something else. Right? So, guys, this was your 5th project and the last project. Now, you can take it. You can choose some other, images set or something else, and you can do question mark for what? Positive vibes? Did you ask a question? I didn't see any question from your side. Can you tell me? Or we make this layout to prepare a portfolio. Why not? If you have that kind of images with yourself, you can use this kind of layout to make your portfolio. Why not? Definitely. First project, your first project. So when you hover, play the video, something like that. Any site that has ready-made animations. Ready-made animations that, like, what do you mean by ready-made animations? Like animation with code, or showing you, teaching you animations, or some good animations like that. If I have to tell you any sites using keyframes. Okay, using keyframes animation, I have not seen a lot of sites with that. Have I also taught that in the CSS section? I think in CSS I didn't. Positive vibes, did you watch my CSS session? I think there I have taught animations. Maybe. I think there I have taught animation using CSS keyframes. Otherwise, any site where I have seen animation using keyframes, I'm not sure about that. I cannot tell, because I have seen a lot of animations, but they are done using keyframes or not, I'm not sure. That's the issue. Okay, I taught, right, about using keyframes. I think I taught you carousel. So I'm not sure if I have seen any site where keyframes animation is used, because I have seen a lot of animations, but I'm not sure if they are done using keyframes. I wanted ready-made, but what kind of animation? Like, even if ready-made, what it is doing? Because I don't have any site in my mind as of now. I have to check. If I check, then I can tell you. If I check, then I can let you know on LinkedIn. Why not? If I check once, I can let you know on LinkedIn. So guys, are we cleared with this Parallax movie web page? Something really cool, something different, something easy. Okay. Sir, please list the courses. Okay, see. So if I have to tell you the courses that I'm planning now. So now guys, I know today was the easiest day, and that's fine, right? Why not? Last day easy. Much more better, right? Last day easy and something new, something creative, something new. See guys, our aim was mainly to learn something new every day. My aim was not only to show you designs whole 5 days, like, okay, I'm creating different designs. No. Even if different designs, I wanted to show you different things. Like in one of them, we added chart. We created a whole different layout like dashboard. In one of them, we made it responsive, right? We followed a different layout altogether. We made it responsive. One of them, we followed how to use AOS and all that. We learned that, right? In one of them, I showed you how to use jQuery. And today, I used something different, a parallax logic, how to give different scroll, right? So in every web page, even though it was all design projects, in every web page, we learned something new. That was the aim. So how can we see our mobile phone coding in our phone? Mobile phone coding? You have to transfer the files then, Komalpreet. If you have created files in your mobile phone, HTML file and all that, you have to transfer those files. If it is inside an app, then I don't think it's possible. Then you have to copy and paste it. You have to copy. You can pass it to Gmail or WhatsApp, and then you can paste it in PC. If it's a file, then you can connect USB and transfer. Can we make Jiffy by coding? Yes, you can make. To some extent, you can use CSS animations. Sir, can you explain the difference between library and framework? Okay. See, library is nothing but collection of files of related functions, which is providing you with some features. Like for example, a calculator library. It provides you a lot of functions which you can use in your project for calculations. So that's a library. A library is nothing but a collection of functions or files which is providing you some features which you can integrate in your project. A framework is a structure of a project in which some libraries are already there, and how your project will be created, that structuring will also be there. So it's like this. At the last level, you have functions. Collection of functions is called as module. Like collection of calculator function, collection of, let's say, age function, collection of user functions, that can be called as a module. Then collection of modules is called as a library. Okay. So calculator module, user module, you have a library. You can integrate that in your project, and you can start using user functions, calculator functions. Then after that, you have framework, which is a complete project architecture inside which the rules and regulations that your project will follow, the basic files that you need, the basic libraries that you need is already there. And you have to oblige by their rules. You have to follow their rules and you have to do the coding stuff. Is that clear, Kritika? So library is like a utility. It's a collection of functions and files which you connect to your project. So you're already building a project, you connect a library to your project and you use their functions. A framework is a whole project architecture. You download a framework and then you start coding your project in that. You don't code your project separately. You download the project structure directly. That's a framework. A complete project structure which is already having the basic structure, the basic flow. That means you don't have to start from scratch. And all the libraries are also installed, the important ones. But you can also add more. Like Angular, it's a framework. React is just a library. Is it clear, Kritika? You got the point here? So functions make module, modules make library, and framework is nothing but a separate project structure. So all 5 days projects are amazing and classy. Thank you so much, Komalpreet. So guys, that's all, everyone. And yes, the list of the things that I'm going to do from now on, right? So now the next, guys, I have planned for MongoDB. First thing, MongoDB, which will be next week. Then after the MongoDB, I'm planning for a very big Node.js course. And guys, I hope you'll attend it. It might go till 8 to 10 days. It will be a live session of 8 to 10 days. I hope you'll attend every day. Guys, hopefully, this will be having everything. 8 to 10 days or maybe 7 to 10 days, whatever it is, depending on the content, I'll increase the days. It will have everything, guys. Creating basic APIs, connecting to MongoDB, having authentication, authorization. But to understand and learn the whole Node.js, you have to attend every day. And then finally, creating a final API. And then after that, guys, I'm planning for React.js or React. Okay? Which will be again of around 7 to 10 days. That's my plan. Okay, guys. And after React, I'm planning for Vue.js and then Angular. And maybe in between, I'll be taking some breaks and teaching some basic things again. Yeah, backend is this. This is going to be your backend course. Backend course start from MongoDB. These two come under your backend. Positive. These two are... So guys, by learning these two, you'll be becoming a complete backend developer. By just learning these two, you'll be becoming a complete backend developer. Complete JavaScript backend developer. And then React will make you complete front-end developer. And then after that, guys, I'm planning for Vue, Angular, and maybe in between PHP and Laravel. So guys, a lot of content for this whole year. I have a lot of content for you guys. And maybe once we finish one cycle, then again with all the updates, I might start with one more cycle. I'm also planning for Java in future. So, sir, if you have time after that, you should provide. Yes, in between, as I said, in between for some breaks, I'll be teaching some basic technologies. So maybe once we finish React, rather than directly going to jump onto main frameworks, I'll be going to some basic programming and then again go back. So like that. Okay. And guys, just wanted to give you a simple news. I am planning, maybe once we finish up React after a month or maybe after 30-40 days, I'm planning to do a hackathon for you guys. Only for you, like a hackathon for subscribers, for all my subscribers. It will be an open hackathon and there will be prizes as well. I'm just letting you know as of now, it's not planned yet. I'll be coming up with a complete plan. So once you finish with your backend and frontend, you will be ready to create projects, I know. And for testing you, I'll be having a hackathon for subscribers. Anyone who is subscribed to the channel, they can participate in this hackathon and there will be prizes. And I'll be judging your projects live. It will not be a very great prize. From my side, whatever it will be there. But it will be something good. It will be something good, guys. Don't worry. Something good. Difference between MySQL and MongoDB. MySQL is a relational data. It's a table-based database. Okay, it's a table-based relational database. MongoDB is a document-based database. And also MySQL uses SQL language. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. So they store data differently. MongoDB is a document-based database and MySQL is a table-based relational database. So both are databases, but their structuring is different. Nowadays, what's used most? See, if you talk about still most used, it's SQL. most used. But MongoDB is not very behind. It's reaching there. It's very famous as of now, but still SQL is on top because it's getting used from a lot of time in a lot of projects. Is it clear, Prabhu? So when I start teaching MongoDB, I'll tell you guys the complete difference between MySQL and MongoDB as well. Don't worry. There I'll be telling you the difference. And MongoDB will be next week, guys. And it's very small topic, so it might only take 2-3 days live session to complete. So guys, be ready for this as well. It will be coming very soon. I'll be announcing it properly, officially at some point of time. Okay. So guys, that marks an end. This project finally marks an end to our 5-day 5 projects. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed the whole 5-day 5 project session. Okay. Now I'll be seeing you all in the next live stream, which will be next week. And also guys, I'm planning to put some recorded videos and recorded tutorials as well. So I hope that will also be fine. Guys, Positive Hackathon will be nothing but I will be giving you a project which you guys have to build in some amount of time and days. And you have to show it to me. And I will decide a winner based on all the projects. Okay. Now don't worry. Don't worry. I'm going to give you topics when I announce it. Right now I'm not announcing it. I'm going to give you topics when I announce it. Don't worry. Just wanted to give you a hint that is something I'm planning. That's all. So guys, that's all. 5-day 5 projects done. And trust me guys, when I'm telling this, that I didn't even knew when the 5 days ended. It was like I'm starting with the project, ending the project, going to sleep, waking up again, starting the project, ending the project. I didn't even understood where the 5 days are gone. It went so fast. Yes, I'm also going to be putting recorded lectures. Like live, I'll be teaching definitely every month. But I'm also going to be putting recorded tutorials. Like how to make this, how to make that, creating templates, using some JS libraries here and there. So I'm also going to be putting a lot of recorded lecture. No, there will be streams. But I'm just saying that I'll also be putting recorded lectures. Both will be there. Complete tutorials will be always complete stream. Okay, but I'll be also putting recorded lectures behind the scenes for some extra stuff that we won't be covering in live sometimes. Okay. So yep guys, that's all. And I think we have almost reached 1,858 subscribers. So hopefully by the end of this week, we'll be reaching 2K. And that is on to you guys. If you guys share the channel with your friends, if you guys share the videos with your friends, then I'll be reaching 2K maybe by the end of this week. So that is on to you guys. And that will be very motivating for me. Okay. So if you can share the channel, that will be amazing for me. Thank you so much, sir, for all your efforts. And I must say, thank you so much, Kritika, for the kind words. Thank you so much, Kaushik. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Komalpreet, for sharing. And guys, again, now we have completed 5 projects. Now you have a 1 week break. At least try to create 2 to 3 projects out of these 5 and post it on LinkedIn and tag me there and also put my channel link in there. Okay. So I hope you'll be doing that, guys. I hope you'll be doing that. So I'll be seeing you live soon, probably next week, second half. Okay, that is Wednesday or Thursday. Okay. So only 5 to 6 days, guys. Don't worry. Only 6 days max, 6 to 7 days max, and we'll be back. Because I have to prepare the content and thumbnails and all that stuff. So that is a little time consuming. So I'll be preparing that real quick and will be coming there. Okay, everyone. And please do join the WhatsApp channel. And you can also follow thorup.yt Instagram page where I'll be putting all the updates as well. Yes, you can tag me there, definitely. So guys, WhatsApp channel link and Instagram link is in the, for this channel is in the chat box. You can go ahead and join the WhatsApp channel for all the updates and follow the Instagram as well for the updates and all the cool things. Is that possible to make this website dynamic? Yeah, we can make this website dynamic. Why not? Like if we make it dynamic regularly, the images can change, the video can change, the content can change. Every day you can display some different superheroes. Why not? Completely fine. Completely fine. So yes, Kumarasamy, yeah, it's completely possible, buddy. It's completely possible to make it dynamic. Yes. We can connect it to the API and every day when we load it, we can change the superheroes, we can change the data. Yes, it's all possible. So guys, all the links are in the chat. I'll pin the Instagram link. So guys, I've pinned the Instagram link in the chat. You can just follow it, follow me there. Follow this channel's, that is not my link. That is basically this channel's Instagram link where I'll be putting all the updates related to the channel. Okay. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. It was an amazing journey. Now I'll be seeing you in the next journey of MongoDB. That's all. I hope that I'll be seeing you there. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye, guys. Good night, guys. Good night, everyone. Angular series, yes, Gagan. That is very near. Without using backend, is it possible to store data? Yes, you can use local storage. Peria Sedu, you can use local storage for that. You can use JavaScript local storage for that. Browser storage. Thank you so much, Jyoti. Thank you so much, Peria Sedu. Thank you, Naveen. Thank you, Rishikesh. Thank you, Positive Vibes. Bye-bye, guys. Good night, everyone. And for your answer, Peria Sedu, you can definitely use local storage. Okay? So that's all, guys. Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon on this channel. Bye-bye, guys. Good night. Good night, everyone. Good night. Thank you so much, guys. Good night. Good night, everyone.